This is Aidan's crazy creation. My objective is to unroll that roll of toilet paper, which is right there, and I have 32 total steps. So my first and second step are both potential to kinetic. The race car starts, rolls down this ramp, and the ramp is connected to this last domino. This last domino falls off the table and pulls the ramp and this paper with it, revealing what's under the paper. Okay. Then step number 3 is that ball right there, which has potential energy, will start rolling whenever this track moves, and has potential to kinetic when it rolls. Hit that, releasing that, and the ping pong ball there has potential energy and gets kinetic whenever it rolls these ways, and then it's going to hit this domino, which has potential and also pull the track for kinetic energy. And step that was 4 and 5. Number 6 is this race car has potential energy. Number 6 has potential energy and rolls this way with kinetic energy, hitting the dominoes, which have potential energy, and then fall down with kinetic energy. And then the last domino hits the ping pong ball, which has potential energy, and makes it roll down the ramp, with kinetic energy. Finally, for number 9, hitting the dominoes, which fall over and hit that jingle block. That's potential to kinetic. This jingle block will hit that ping pong ball. The ping pong ball will roll. It has potential energy and will roll with kinetic, hitting the dominoes for step number 11. And the dominoes have potential to kinetic whenever they fall. For step number 12, the dominoes go 2 ways. This one unrolls that. As you can see, there's something written on it. And then number 13 through 16 is these balls has potential energy and roll, hitting the popsicle stick, releasing the ball next to it, and so on. For 17, the dominoes have potential to kinetic whenever they roll and hit each other. And then the ball, for number 18, the ball has potential energy to kinetic, and then it hits these. And for number 19, it's potential to kinetic, because this ball has potential to kinetic whenever it moves. Number 20 is kinetic to potential, because they have the ball rolls, hits it, and then they fall over and it go to that ball which has kinetic potential energy. That ball has potential energy, and these dominoes fall over, which is kinetic to kinetic energy. No, it's kinetic to kinetic whenever this ball up there rolls with kinetic and hits these dominoes, which also will get kinetic. They hit this ball for step number 22, which is kinetic to potential to back to kinetic, hitting that ball with potential energy, rolls with kinetic, hitting this ball. This ball rolls with potential to kinetic and hits these 2 balls. These balls roll into this contraption I made, coming out right there and hitting these dominoes. That's step number 24 is potential to kinetic. Step number 25 is these dominoes falling over and releasing these balls into this track. This track goes boom, 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 and into there. For step number 26, it's kinetic to potential back to kinetic. Because it's kinetic, because the ball hits that and rolls this way and hits these dominoes with that potential energy, then fall over back to kinetic. Number 27 is kinetic, because the dominoes are falling over, back to potential, because the ball, and then the ball rolls with kinetic for number 28, hitting these dominoes for number 29, hitting the dominoes and the ball rolls with kinetic, hitting the dominoes which have potential. And this domino, second to last one, has a string attached to it, right to this jingle block. And the jingle block will get pulled down by the domino, which is step number 30. which has potential to kinetic energy. Well, the domino falls, pulls it with it, and this is also connected to these dominoes. The Jenga block pulls these dominoes, and then these pull this roll of toilet paper down. So, and that is number 30. And this is number 31, which is potential to kinetic whenever it gets pulled down. So, here it goes.